we have to start our lesson. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ryan Carlos, Master Teacher in Maury. So I will be illustrating. Okay. So our topic for today is all about first aid concepts, objectives, and principles. The content standards. Who wants to read? Matuan.
Huli news.
Okay, let's go. The next one, performance standards. Alright. So, objective number 1. Who wants to read? Conduct. Alright, number 2. Suli. Alright, number 3. Sino nakawrite?
Demonstrate the proper steps for assessing and managing common injuries and medical needs.
Number 4. Felix. Okay, number 5, last one. Alright, so that is our objectives in our lesson. Okay. So the first concept, first aid. It says that it is an immediate and temporary care given when waiting for medical assistance. Who can explain this part? Who can explain this part? Immediate and temporary care given when waiting for medical assistance. Okay, so that. Yung sa Tagalog. Alright, so later on in our lesson, we will tackle this topic in our lesson. So, let us move to another slide. So, we have here a short motivation about our preview to our topic. Okay. Activity number 1, first aid proficiency rate for knowledge of benefits. Then objective, demonstrate their understanding of first aid, procedures for managing common conditions by visually identifying and explaining following signs and symptoms and appropriate first aid responses. Materials needed, you may use your pen, your book, finding the alternate. Okay, the mechanics of the activity. Number 1, it says that read the following statements carefully and put check mark on the statements slide 2. Okay, lalagyan nyo lamang po ng check. Okay, question number 1. Answers only ha, ilalagay nyo po sa notebook ninyo. This activity will only require 5 minutes. And after that, we're going to check your work.
Parang ayaw ako.
Okay, ball pens up sa tapos na. Ball pens up sa mga tapos na. Okay, down. You will wait for others. hands up sa mga tapos na. Last 10 seconds. Okay, movements down. Let us check. So here's the two tricks of the activity for today. You may exchange papers with your seatmates. And let us check how many check do we have in our activity. So the check mark corresponds to the score of your classmates. So 1 to 3 checks means 6 to 7. 4 to 8 checks means good. 9 to 10 checks means excellent. You may indicate the rating above the notebook of your classmate for you to have a recognition in paying the score. Okay? Let us see. Sino po nakakuha ng 1 to 3? Wala. Sino nakakuha ng 4 to 8? Nasa kamay? Okay down? Let us have a very good clap in the good rating. Very good clap. Very good clap. Ready, go. Okay, how about 9 to 10 rating? Who got 9 to 10 rating? Okay, very good. Okay, let us have a clap. Ready, go. Okay, let us move to our... Okay, who can answer this one? How are your scores? How about number 2? How does the result show your knowledge person? Okay, number 3. What are your realizations? Okay. Who else? Well done. Okay, that's good. How about number 4? Padua. Prepare the interpretation from the category. How do you score? What is your score? 9 over 10 means excellent. Okay, bigyan natin si Padua ng excellent. A clap. Ready, go! Okay, let us watch the video. After this, I'm going to ask what are your reflections or gains when it comes to playing the video. It relates to our topic. So our topic for today is all about first aid. So you have to watch the video. that video, he found out that the person beside him is already unconscious. So in terms of first aid, so he's looking for something na ma-revive niya yung tao. Okay? So, i-try different types of revival skill. Like for example, tinataas niya yung mga ito. Okay, I have a question when it comes to what is shown in the video. What are the correct and incorrect actions when performed in the video? Yes. Okay. This is the current part. Didn't ask for help. Ang maling ginawa niya is nag-panic siya. Okay, that's good. Ano ba? Ano ba ang dapat niya gawin para hindi ko mag-panic? Humingi ng tulong kung hindi alam ang gagawin. What else? Ano ba? Ha? Ha? Okay. Ano ba? Ano eh? Magtawag ng ambulance. Ilang ambulance po ba kailangan tawagin? Sala. Correct na ginawa niya yung CPR. Yung ba? Okay, yung ba? Kung paano niya i-handle yung CPR. Palakpakan natin siya ng very good clap. Ready, go! Next question. What should have been done instead kumalma. Sige, mamaya natin yan. So, ito na po yung mga dinalo ko kanina based on the video. Dito tayo sa accident. Everybody read accident. Ready, go. Okay, very good. Accident is an unexpected event that causes injury or harm to people or property. Give me an example of accident. Ha? Okay, car crash. What else? Nabangga, car crash. Almost the same. Ganyan. Okay. Overspeeding. Okay, sabi na. Next one is emergency. Makibasa ka ng malakas at malinaw. Everybody, go. So, tuwing kailan nagkakaroon ng emergency? When is the time when we say there is an emergency? Wala. Okay, when the person is in danger or in threat. What else? Pag may aksidente nangyari, Manuel. Okay? So later on, itatakit ko natin siya. So, when it comes to emergency action principle, it is a set of quick and decisive steps. Means there is always be a method or step-by-step procedure when it comes to emergency action principle. Like for example, there is an emergency, there is an earthquake. What are you going to do? Again, what are you going to do? Okay, everybody duck over and all go. Alright, so there is an emergency action. Okay, Ashibet, go back to your seat. Okay, there is always a protocol or methods or step-by-step in emergency action. The first aider. Who wants to read? Padua. Right, so he or she may be first aider when he knows or she knows something about a first aid rescue. Okay? So lahat po ba pwedeng maging first aider? Yes, kung may proper knowledge and skills. The first aid, makbasa ka ng malakas. Okay niya? Yan, yung first aid kasi, yan yung pinaka-ginagawa para i-provide ang mga tulong sa mga na-aksidente. First aid management, first sentence lang, pakibasa mo ng malakas at malinaw. Sulit. Okay, it is an immediate care and treatment provided to someone who has been injured or falls until professional help arrives. Pag dumating na daw yung ambulansya o yung doktor, tapos na yung first aid. It means, gagalingin na siya, gagamutin na siya. Ang first aid kasi, siya lang yung nag-bridge sa doktor at ambulansya. The next one is injury.
Injury. A physical harm to the body from accident or conflict. Injury from minor conflict, fever, fractures. Needing proper treatment based on severity.
Okay, so when we say injury, ito po yung pinaka-nasasaktan yung kinakatawan mo, ito is severe one. Like for example, in this picture, what will be your assessment in this one? What kind of injury is this? Okay, so the type of injuries in this picture is bruises, minor bruises. nalusan or nadapa. Then the next one is design. Okay, very good clap. Ready, go. Okay, the next one is symptoms. Okay. Okay, the symptoms. Subjective experience indicating medical conditions or injuries such as pain, dizziness, or weakness. So lahat po ng mga symptoms dito is a warning signs there is something wrong in you or in an injured person. Okay? So, dizziness, may hilo, sobrang sakit ng ulo, tulog, sensitivity sa paligiran, and sa mata. Ito yung sa light sensitivity, lalo yung mga nagsiselfone na yan. Okay. Dito tayo. So, principles of first aid. Number 1. Okay, why do we say there is a number 1 principle in first aid that you have to remain calm? Okay, para magawa na maayos yung first aid. Number 2. Provide assurance and comfort to the victim. Why do we say that? Huh? Alright, sabi that. Okay. Number 3, who wants to read? What okay naman? Ito. So look for medical bracelet indicating condition like epilepsy or diabetes. So in American Heart Association, meron po kasi sila mga medical bracelet or tags na nakasulat na meron silang allergy when it comes to methanol, ibuprofen. Kaya po may pin na nilibabawal na tayo dito. Kaya naglalagay po sila ng mga bracelets na yung tags na yan. Meron na nakasulat doon, in case of emergency, do not resuscitate. Kasi bawal din. Kasi mag-aaral sila ng allergic reaction kapag yung heart nila is magkaroon ng all. Okay? Number 4. Loosen any type of thing. When do we say that? Ano yung nangyari? Bakit i-loosen type of thing? Alright, para makadalo na maayos yung dugo. Number 5. Number 5. Ayan. Keep the victim covered to minimize the shock. Okay? Siyempre, pag nanginginig yan, umintol, nabangga ng kotse, manginginig yan, kakabahan yan. So, para po maginig na siya, ma-minimize yung shock niya, kailangan po meron po siya ng tubot, tuwalya, or yakapin. Right? Those constitute the first aid. Number 1, sabi niya, ako naman. Okay, sabi niya kasi, huwag pa inumin ng tubig at pagkain kapag unconscious. Bakit? Okay, baka magulo na ang magkaroon ng pagbabara sa daloy ng hangin. Ano ba? Baka malulod. Okay. So wala ka naman kasi unconscious, pakakainin mo ng fried chicken. Unconscious, susubuan mo lang kanin. So there is always a risk na pwede siyang mapulunan. Number 2, ano po yan? Pakipasa nga po ng malakas muna. Sige po. Alright, so yun po, kailangan huwag po siyang gagalawin The role of the first aid. Pakibasa po natin ang tahimik. It says that it is a bridge between that feels like between the victim and the physician. Yes, mas nalileson yung sakit at yung injured part. Number 2, bullet. Finish. Alright. Next one. Sabi niya, it ends when the services of physician begin. Kapag dumating na yung doktor o yung ambulansya, tapos na yung procedure. Okay? Next slide. Pakibasa po ng tahimik. Or kung pangalawa, sinabi niya na rin to prevent added further injury or danger. And then the last one is to prolong life. Ano po yung to prolong life? Mapahaba pa yung buhay. Okay? Ito may mga characteristics of a good first aider. Tingnan nyo nga, basahin nga natin ng malakas. Ready, set, and go.
Characteristics of a good first aider. Does not cause pain and panic. Observant, notice all signs. Resourceful, makes the best use of things at hand. Helpful, do not frighten the victim.
Okay, everybody say frighten.
Frighten.
Not frighten. Should be frighten.
Frighten.
Okay, so the characteristics of a good first aider, number 1 of which is gentle, does not cause panic. Hindi yung pag nakita mo yung classmate mo na tumutugo mo yung paa, pati ikaw umiyak ka, hindi ka tayo na. Hindi yung pag nakita mo yung classmate mo, nabali mo yung puto, ikaw nandiri ka na umiyak ka. So it should not be that kind of. Number 2, observance, notices all signs. Kasi kanina, nung babalikan po natin, yung mga signs and symptoms na yan, makikita mo yan sa tao kapag may malis pa din. Yung mga wala ka na, is pilay-pilay. Ano sa tingin nyo ang problema? Kaya pilay-pilay. Okay? Pag lumalapit siya, halimbawa hindi niya mabasa, anong problema sa akin? You know the answer to this question. Yes, malabo ang mata. Eh paano kung hindi siya maka-yuko? Ano sa tingin niyo ang problema? Yung signal. Skin. Di ba kayo po skin? Ito lang pwede. Isang banda. Okay. There should be a sign in skin. Number 3, resourceful makes the best use of things. Alam natin yung mga pwedeng gawin, pwedeng dalhin, at pwedeng gawin. Okay? Number 4, tactful, that's not trying to victim. Lumumulang yung ilong, sinabi nyo, uy, may lalabas na rin dyan. Uy, lalabas yung takbo. Okay? And then, the last one, sympathetic comfort and measures. It means, kaya niyang damayan yung nararamdaman mo. Ito na tayo. Ito na kayo. Makibasa po ng tahimik. So you will be divided into 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4. Please assign a corresponding leaders in each group and you are going to perform an activity today. the mechanics, emergency situation. So what I'm going to say is about the generalization about our activities. For you to have a knowledge about the first aid and skills in rescuing a victim, you should have a notion of those when it comes to first aid. Okay? So kailangan po natin seryosohin na kapatid na kaya natin gawin. Hindi yung tumakatawa tayo, ilalaro natin. Okay? Then, open-ended statement. So I'm going to say the statement and then you are going to continue. Ito po yung mga sagot yan. Yan. Okay, so I learned that, okay na, nag-provide the last sentence ka. If I open-ended statement. I learned that, okay, speak the sentence. Yes, about the lessons that we have in yes. Okay. 8 lang. Ready, go. Okay. I realize that, so then provide the sentence. I realize that what? Yes, absolutely.
I realized that first aid should be applied after.
Okay, so with that, I think we'll navigate the tutunan and for your assignment, delegate your notes. So, for your assignment, create a folder in your latest term. Create a folder. It relates to first aid. Number 2, draw a first aid situation or accident. Then number 3, place being present. So with that, maraming salamat. Goodbye class.
Goodbye, Sir Carlo. Thank you for teaching us today. See you tomorrow.
So ito po ang group 1. Who is your leader? Okay, Aviles, group 2. Who is your leader? Pili. Group 3, Padua. Group 4, Sabina. Okay, so this is the situation that we are going to do. And what actions should be taken in order for you to have a first aid solution for that. Right? So this will be for group 1, group 2, group 3, then group 4 sa labas. Form a circle, usap-usap, ano ang dapat gawin. Your time starts now. So this is only
Cut ko na.
10 minutes. Revise natin.
Ito guys.
So you should have a brainstorming activity for you to have a output for your situation accordingly to your group. Okay? So all of the members will participate and the leaders will command what are you going to do in order for you to surpass the situation in this activity. Okay, last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. Okay, last 20 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Okay, time is up. Everybody sit down. Go to your respective. Sit down, please. Okay, let us start with book number 1.
Sis na.
Sit down, everyone. Sit down, everyone. Sit down. Okay, you will use the Okay, introduce your group number and then we will start as soon as you are ready.
Good afternoon, Dr. Taiwan. Good afternoon, Dr. Taiwan. Good afternoon, Sir Garo. We are Dr. Vanetti, sir. Uy, nalagyan! Ano ba yan sa'yo? Uy, nalagyan! Nalagyan natin sa bilis! Uy, nalagyan! Ang bilis! Bilis! Ano yan? Kulang! Sir, ano daw po? Okay, daw po sila sa...
Kalma lang, kalma. Shhh! Ingay na ito. Mamamatay yan.
Okay, so thank you. Palakpakan natin ang program. Bigyan natin very good clap. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, group number 2.
37 minutes, malapit na. Ano may iba tayo? Ano ba?
Kasama ako dun.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are the DJ and this is our presentation. Our situation is elderly at AFS relatively complex on the first week and modified anak.
Sino ba ano?
Wala.
Wala na yung matay! Ay! Nagkaganan dito! Kalma, kalma! Ilan minutes ka na ba? Bago mo kayo. Siyempre mo daw gamitin mo na ano yun. Karuinan ko yun eh. 8 na no? 81?
Tabi, tabi.
Ganon!
Baka mo na, baka mo na.
Hindi na natin alam yung oras eh.
Yan, ano. Tabi na nawa.
Parang may kulang.
We are the room for and this is our presentation. Sana! Don't drink! Don't drink that! You get poison!
Usually cause the person ill or trigger stress. And this is what you should do. Immediately call your local poison control center or emergency services and monitor their breathing and be prepared to perform CPR if necessary. Call your local emergency number immediately.